Okay, I have Laura Typpö here with me, Head of People Operations at Visual Components. Let's talk about life at Visual Components with her. How do you feel here at Automatica 2022?
Very excited to be here. I think it's really super cool to see the booth and the fair. I really like our stand. I think our marketing team has done a fantastic job. I'm really proud of our team and our booth.
All right, that's nice. And how do you define people and culture at Visual Components as a head of the team?
I would say that we have very relaxed environment. At least that's what I hope. But I think that's also what I've witnessed and what I've seen, and that's something that I would really like to maintain. Although we're growing, I know that it will cause some changes to the culture aspect as well. And of course, in the post-pandemic time, it's a bit of a challenge when people have been used to work remotely to get together and connect with each other again. But I would define that, or I would say that our culture is defined by our values, which are honesty, transparency, passion in what we do, and being helpful. Help and you shall be helped. And I think that's a huge part of our culture, that you can be in touch with anybody you want and ask for help, and you will be supported. And that's one of the things that I'm really proud of in our company.
Yeah, it's good that you remember the cultures. I was trying to remember when you were talking about it. Okay, what advice would you give to people who want to work at Visual Components?
Well, I would say that if you feel that you'd like to work in an environment where you get supported, where you can be yourself, where you want to, if you want to work in an environment that has a low hierarchy and where people are really good at what they do, passionate about things they want to achieve together, then I think visual components is a good environment for you.
That is nice. And how do you see the future of Visual Components in terms of growth, in terms of people and teams?
Well, very exciting. I have to say that I've been at Visual Components since last August, and it's been a super, super exciting journey. We've grown really fast, and we're still growing. So we have a really ambitious growth target, people-wise, also for the rest of the year. And right now, we are in that target, and we're on that path. And what I really like is that our culture, our team is really diverse, and I think that is one of our core strengths. We have offices in US, in German, now the headquarters in Finland. Who knows in the future where else? Our customers are very international. So what I really enjoy, and I think that kind of combines our other teams as well, is that we really are kind of multinational, diverse company.